Hi students, I'm going to go over how we look at fractions on a fraction bar to see if they're equal. Remember the fraction bar, we sort them out. So this piece up here, this is a whole piece. So I've got 1/2, 1/2, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and so on. So let's go ahead and start up at the 1/2. I'm going to just take this black line and follow it down. And when it intersects with something, that means it's going to be equal. So I already know that 1/2 is the same as 1/4, 1/4, which is 2/4. Let's go down a little bit further. Okay, it stops here on the 6th. So 1/2, 2/4 is the same as 3/6. I'm going to come down here. Stops on the 8ths. I know 1/2, 2/4, 3/6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4/8. Let's come down here. It's going to stop on the 10ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5/10. Okay, 4/8, 3/6, 2/4, and 1/2. They're all the same. Let's go ahead and look at another number to see if I can find any more similarities. Let's do 1/3. I'm going to start here. I've got 1/3. I'm going to come all the way down, see if I can find any matches. Okay, 1/3. Okay, so 1/3 is going to be the same as 3/9. So it kind of stops here. Okay, so they're the same. Let's try 1/4. 1/4 right here. I'm going to come all the way down. Okay, 1/4, it comes here. They're the same. So it connects with 2/8. They're the same. Okay. And let's try 3/4. See if there's anything that's the same as 3/4. Okay, so 3/4 is going to be the same as, it stops here on the 8ths. Okay, so I've got 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8. Okay, so that's the same. I really hope this helps. And remember, you can draw these